This is a 17.3-inch theater display for Tesla Model Y. I finally found something really cool. There you go. The display is down. Whoa, that is giant display. Holy cow. That is a big display. Wow. You can get this theater display from Tesstudio or tesstudio.us. You can use my special discount code DADTC for extra 20% off. Okay, let's see the function on the display a little bit first. Of course, you can also adjust the display manually with the button right here. This one in. You can do in more, or you can adjust on the remote control too, which is really cool. So you can press. You can see, you get just all the way. So this is the best position to watch. So it's not super straight, but if you want more straight, you adjust back a little bit, like here for that. And on the main menu here, you have videos that you can play from the thumb drive, or internal video. You can download it from the thumb drive to play on the display. And you have YouTube.
Xcel Energy understands that solar power is more than just a renewable
the sound
resource.
from a built-in speaker
energizes our
from
homes.
the display, which is really good sound. So you have a mirror cast, so you can mirror out, you know, whatever you're playing on your cell phone. And you can also input the video input, so you can play Xbox or PlayStation with this display, because it has HDMI, remember, in the back, this side of the display, which is really cool. And then we'll test it out with both a game controller and the headphone. Alright, as you can see, I'm in the game right now, and the controller is fully functional. You can see I can turn left and right, brake, accelerate, and the sound's coming out from the headphone, I'm sure you can hear. So they're both connected, and you can download any apps from Google Play stores, you know, games, streaming services, anything that is compatible with the device. I mean, mainly with all the Android devices. You can also connect the display to your car speaker. Let's test it out with YouTube. You can see the sound is coming out from the car speakers, so now you can get that, you know, speakers quality. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.